What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about how to improve your credit score with Tradelines, and this is a step-by-step guide. Okay, so without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys. Now, if you're looking to improve your credit with your credit score, you may have come across the concept of Tradelines. Okay, now Tradelines is a powerful tool that you can help you build your credit score quickly and effectively. In this step-by-step guide, we will explain that Tradelines are and how it works and how you can use them to improve your credit score. Okay, so first thing you need to do is it's important to understand what a trade line is. A trade line is simply an entry on your credit report that shows your credit history with a particular lender or creditor, then includes credit cards, loans, and other forms of credit. Each trade line will show you your credit limit, your credit balance, and your payment history. Okay. Now, the key to using trade lines is to improve your credit score is to add positive information to your credit report. This means adding a trade line that has a long history of on-time payments, a low balance, and a high credit limit. When you add a positive trade line to your credit report, it can improve your credit utilization ratio, which is a key factor in determining your credit score. Now, one way to add a positive trade line to your credit report is become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. This means that you will be added to their account as a secondary user, and their positive payment history will be added onto your credit report. It is important to choose a credit card account that has a long history of on-time payments and a low balance, as this will have the greatest impact on your credit score. Another way to add a positive trade line to your credit report is to work with a trade line company. This company specializes in adding positive trade lines to your credit report, and they can help you choose the right trade line for your specific situation. However, it is important to do your research and choose a credited company that has a proven track record of success. Okay. In addition to adding a positive trade line to your credit report, it is also important to monitor your credit report regular and dispute any errors or inconsistencies on your credit report. This can help you ensure that your credit report is accurate and up to date, which is essential to maintaining a good credit score. Okay. Now, last but not least, now improving your credit score with trade lines is a proven strategy that can help you achieve your financial goals by adding positive trade lines to your credit report and monitoring your credit report regularly. You can take action of your credit score and achieve financial freedom. So if you're looking to improve your credit score, consider using trade lines as a powerful tool in your credit score and credit building journey. Okay. Now, also here at Credit World Capital, we help people understand their personal credit, show individuals how to increase their credit score and maintain their credit scores. In addition to credit restoration, we also explain what a trade lines and authorized users are and why we use these techniques to improve individuals' credit while getting you closer to your financial freedom, which is so essential. Okay, so make sure you join us on Facebook as well as listen to us on Spotify. We will love to have you. Okay, so my name is Renata. This is Credit with Capital. Be you, be true, and keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.